Day 4 is the 4 calling birds, and this is a very, very special day. It's the transition from peace now to hope. So the next 3 days are all about hope. When I received the 12 Days of Christmas, what happened for me, I was so inspired, and yet I didn't know who was involved, that I wrote a little bit every night about what had happened. And at the end of the 12 days, I put all the little stories together and I sent it out to my friends. And Cirque du Soleil got a hold of it, and they called me up and said, can we put this in our little global newsletter that goes out to our employees? That was such an amazing moment for me.
This is amazing. The fact that Cirque dancers came out to Boys Town, I mean, the kids were so surprised and so excited to be a part of this. They have known about the shows living in Vegas, but to have an experience like this, these kids don't get experiences like this.
Inspired by the fact that this amazing, huge, creative company that bridges the entire world was interested in what I had written, I continued. And that's really what hope is all about. It's taking something so small, a spark in someone, and lifting it up and encouraging that and enjoying it so that you have the strength to carry through when times are difficult and you lose your own faith. So I persevered through difficult moments. I went on, and now I'm in a position where I can help hundreds and hundreds of people.
To be able to be a part of something like this, they're going to remember it for the rest of their lives. So we are so appreciative within 12 days what they're doing for the community. To be a part of this is amazing. So we can't thank them enough.
Thank you to Cirque du Soleil, my mentors.